Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kelly if you're new, and today we are going to talk about 5 skincare beauty products that I wish I was using in my 20s and 30s now that I'm 40. I actually wasn't even going to film this video today, but I was like, you know what? I'm having a good skin day. I'm actually still in my workout clothes. Didn't feel like changing, and I was using one of the products and it literally splashed my shirt, and I wasn't trying to change, but I digress. Anyways, I was like, let me come on real quick and share these 5 products with you guys, and you guys could get on them immediately because they work really fast. All right, so let's get into it. Guys, so the first product that you're going to need is a simple and gentle face wash. That is it. When I was in my 20s, I tend to use a lot of harsh soaps, and it was just drying to my face, and in my head, the more dry my face was, the more dry my skin was, that meant that it was clean. I don't know what gave me that idea, but I was wrong, okay? So all you need is a simple face wash, and this is the one that I use. This one is by CeraVe, and this is their hydrating facial cleanser. I love it. It's super affordable. I really just love this brand, and I cannot rave enough about this brand, okay? The next thing that I wish I was using back then is a toner. Some people don't really like toners. They think it's not really effective or it's needed in their skincare routine. I like to be extra. I like to feel clean, and as long as it's gentle, then I don't see the problem. And all I do, I use this one by Thayers, and this is their Witch Hazel Cucumber facial toner, Witch Hazel, and I love it. It's so gentle, and I just put this on a cotton pad and I just cleanse my face, cleanse my skin once I'm done using my face wash. So these 2 things. I also use this toner, which is a little bit more harsher than the Thayers one, but I love it. This one is really good if you have black spots. I've raved about this one before in a previous video, and this one is just by Olay. I will link it below, and it says it's a dark spot toner, and it has all the goodies in it, and I love it. So definitely make this a part of your skincare routine. So next on the list is a vitamin C. I wish I was starting this thing earlier because vitamin C has so many benefits. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up everything that vitamin C does for your skin because it's a lot, okay? 1 second. Okay, so it's hydrating. It brightens your skin, it helps reduce redness and evens out your skin tone. It's good for all skin types. It promotes collagen production, and hello, who doesn't want to have a nice plump skin? That's what vitamin C does for you. And it helps prevent skin aging and skin sagging. So yes, this is the one that I use. Highly recommend that you guys go out if you do not have this as a part of your skincare routine. This is just the brand that I use by Timeless Skincare, but there's many other brands that are good, and I will definitely link this below for you guys, okay? All right, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so next on the list is a really good moisturizing cream. The one that I use is by CeraVe again, and this one says that it moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier. It has 3 essential ceramides in it, which is so good for your skin, and I believe this has niacinamide in it, which is my absolute freaking favorite, okay? But that will be another video where I talk about niacinamide. But yes, invest in a really good moisturizer. Tatcha has a really good moisturizer too. I don't have it handy to show you guys. It's a little bit more pricier, but it's really good. And times when I feel like I wanna, I don't know, a little bit more I want a little bit more luxury feeling, I will put that Tatcha on my face. But for everyday, girl, this one, and she is super affordable, and I will link her below for you guys as well. Okay, so we're on our 5th product. Can you guys guess what it is? Do you have a clue what it is? I mean, man, I wish I started this product when I was in my 20s. This is sunscreen. Oh my God, hello. Sunscreen is so important, and number 1 reason why I wish I started this earlier, because sunscreen definitely helps with aging, okay? That's preventing signs of aging. This one is really good. This one is by Elta. She is my favorite. My esthetician put me on when I was in my mid-30s, and I've been using it for about 5 years. Yeah, about 5-6 years, and I love her. This one is tinted, so I have it on now. I it's about, what time is it? It is 4 o'clock, and I did my skincare routine this morning around 9:30. So whatever glow or whatever you see in my face, this is everything that I've put on it. Everything that I just mentioned is everything that's on my face right now, including this sunscreen. And this one, I love it because it calms and protects acne prone skin. And this helps me because, you know, during that time of the month where you have those annoying like hormonal acne that appear on your chin and stuff like that, this really helps it. And it has niacinamide in it, you guys, and it is just amazing. So yes, I will link this one below for you guys as well if you want to check her out. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the 5 products that I wish I was using in my 20s and 30s now that I am 40. It doesn't matter though, whatever age you are, you can jump in on these products and they're gonna work super fast because the products have really good stuff in it, good ingredients in it that's really good for your skin. And what I love about these products is that it's super affordable. You do not need to have a expensive skincare routine. Sometimes the simpler you are, the more beneficial it is for your skin, baby. Okay, and I'm living proof of that. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in another one. Mwah. Bye guys.